Hello everyone. It feels so good out here right now. I thought I'd sit here and drink my coffee, listen to the birds. It's overcast. You can see the sun could shine through if it clears out. But I would say it'll probably end up raining at some point in time. It did yesterday. But I'm glad it's kind of like this morning. It feels good. I was burning up yesterday. I don't know if Kitty's up here or not. Nope. She was in there playing. Good morning, Adam. How are you this morning?
Hey everybody, I'm doing pretty good this morning. It feels good out here.
Yeah. Have a great day, buddy. Oh, everything's going wild. It's like a sauna out here, so that's great for all these plants. They're just really doing good. Everything is. I don't know if I'm going to have green beans soon. I don't know how good y'all can see them right from here, but they're really getting long. There are beans all over it, too. There comes out the sun a little bit. All this rain has made our yard, the grass grow, that's for sure. It's hard enough to keep up with without it growing like crazy. Can't mow it when it's wet. Peaceful this morning. Sorry about that. I want y'all to hear look at this nice little squash, spaghetti squash. Isn't that cute? And then there's another one. There's a nice flower. It's behind this flower here, see? I like to hear these. It's not windy enough right now. That spaghetti squash is loving that new board we put down. Well, my friend did. Put it down for me. There's some little nastier looking clouds right here moving in. That's probably what'll happen. I ain't never seen so much rain everywhere this year. Of course, it's great for the garden, but it's not great if it rains continuously for days on end. If you get some little break in there, enough for them to get some sun, they'll do great. Too much of it's going to cause like root rot and things like that. Make the leaves turn yellow. Now, when I was able to work, I was working like 12 hours a day, and sometimes less, but usually that's about right, about 12 hours or so, sometimes more. I didn't have much time for a garden. I just had like the weekend, like everybody else that works, and I had to take care of the yard during that time on the weekend. So when I did have a garden back then, I didn't take care of it as good. I just didn't have the time. But now I'm not able to work anymore, and I have more time on my hands to, fiddle around out here and take care of it. I could fall asleep. I'm surprised there's no bluebirds over here. They usually come over here in the morning and get the worms, from overnight that have come out. I'm thinking about getting a bird feeder, y'all. I'm trying to figure out where I would put it, but I'd like to have it close enough to where I could film the birds. We'll figure it out. I don't have much money to invest in anything like that, really. I know the seed is not that expensive, but a nice bird feeder probably would be. This one just landed up here, if you all can see it on the telephone wire, or the power line, I mean. Here's another one. They'll make noise in a minute. I'm trying to figure out what they are. They're not a dove. Well, I'm about half falling asleep. I didn't drink enough of my coffee yet. I got up early this morning. Usually, what makes me get up is my hip, my left hip. I have osteoporosis too. So, my hip hurts so bad I can't lay in any different way to make it not hurt, so I just get up. Well, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please press the like button. I appreciate that so much. Subscribe if you hadn't already. Hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. I don't know what I'm going to get into today. And I have to figure out something. I set out some big boneless chicken breasts. Figure out something with that. So y'all have a great day, and I'll see you later on. Bye-bye.